Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to be performing activity 8-4 using IPConfig and Netsh. This is from the MCTS guide to Microsoft Windows 7. In my edition of the book, this starts on page 352. Alright, to begin, you'll boot up your computer and get logged in. I'm using a virtual machine here that I'm already logged into. We're going to go to the Start menu, type CMD into the program search box. When the command option comes up here, we're going to right click on it and tell it to run as administrator, which will select yes in the user account control. And our command prompt box will come up. So inside of our command prompt, we want to type IPconfig space /all, ALL, and hit enter. And that's going to go and show us all of the adapters and network connections that we have available. And so this shows all of our IP configuration information. So we have things like our physical address, our IP address, whether DHCP is enabled or not, our subnet masks. It might even show, if we're using DHCP, it will show your lease times, your gateways, your DHCP servers, and your DNS servers. So now that we see everything there, we're going to come back down and type a new command. This is going to be IPconfig space /release, and hit enter. So this releases all of the DHCP addresses for all of our network interfaces. And then we're going to type IPconfig /renew to tell our computer to pick up new DHCP addresses from a DHCP server or router. So now that we have reobtained our IP addresses, next we're going to type netsh with no spaces and hit enter. And this is kind of an interactive mode where you can navigate through different menu levels to view information. So we're going to type interface and press enter. And this will allow us to go get more information about specific network interface configurations. So we're going to go ahead and type IPv4 and hit enter to see our IPv4, to get down into our IPv4 level. And then we're going to type show and hit enter. And so this shows us the available commands. So we're going to select show addresses, and we're going to go ahead and type that out, show addresses, and hit enter. And that'll show us our current IPv4 addresses that are in use by our network interfaces. Next, we'll go ahead and type set address, and press enter. And this will show us information about how to configure a static IP address, or to configure it to be DHCP or static, so we can determine how we want to set up our IP address that way. Anytime you're doing this, if your command is missing any required portion or required information for the command, the help screen for that command will automatically display. So, as it says in the remarks there, you can enable or disable DHCP, so you can set it up for DHCP or a static IP address. And it even gives you a couple of examples. So we're not going to go into configuring that, just know that you can do it here, and it'll kind of walk you through the different command layers. So we're just going to exit, and exit the command prompt altogether. Looks like that's everything for the activity, so if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I'll see you in my next video.